So the whole state of Nebraska, the whole state has fucked around and found out the hard way. So Nebraska is flashing a trigger warning saying in 60 days, they state ain't gonna have no money. They gonna be broke because Trump cut off aid to Nebraska. And Trump is deporting all the illegal immigrants from Nebraska. And y'all know Nebraska is filled with farms everywhere. And now they're not going to have no workers to do them farm jobs. And the old white Republicans ain't going to be working on no farm. So now they're going to be broke in 60 days.